और देखो व्हाट्सएप पे फॉरवर्ड आया, ठीक है, ऐसे मानुस लोग खड़े हैं मशाल लेके और जोर से मराठी में बोल रहे चीन चायचा घो घो करो ना घो.
This is going to be the next cheer during the IPL at Wankhede.
Oh God.
100%. There is no doubt in my mind. कि वानखेड़े में वो लोग ऐसा not stand high not stand
we will weather as like Bombay people. I think we will weather all problems as long as there is a chant associated with it. We will weather any problem as Bombay.
And it's against China mostly. No, एक comedian है पीयूष शर्मा करके, he put this on Twitter. I saw that video too with the mashal, right? He put out saying कि bro it's 2020, तुम लोग को मशाल मिला कहाँ से?
मेरा I think पहला superstition during the Egyptian era, I think my first superstition was ये बिल्ली रास्ता काटेगी वाला scene. That if बिल्ली ने रास्ता काटा तो तेरे को पलट के थूकना पड़ेगा.
क्या?
तो तेरा हाँ ये fact है.
What is
अरे
this?
bro, you had to.
I've not heard the second half of this.
Kali Billi means you had to turn around 7 times and then spit, and if it was regular Billi, you just had to spit.
काली बिल्ली अगर 7 times घूमेगा तो तब तक देखो चक्कर आ जाएगा. I don't know तू कौन से खुद पे थूक देगा तो by that time.
I don't know if it was 7
में
times.
इतने पान की छींटे कितने सब बिल्लियां.
I don't know why all our superstitions end with us making more of an unhygienic gesture to solve it. पहले थूको, फिर नहीं तो नींबू होगा तो वो भी. Everything involves making the rasta more dirty.
There's two things. One is that there was a reason back in the day, and we're still following it without the reason being part of it anymore. And the second is that as a species, like we are pattern-seeking animals, right? We're always looking for a cause and an effect, and sometimes those two things aren't related. Like just because you didn't wear chaddi one day and Real Madrid won doesn't mean Real Madrid wins because you don't wear chaddi.
Post hoc ergo propter hoc. Correct.
Yeah. You know, like you make those connections and then those connections stick.
Yeah.
And most of the time it happens with Mangal involved for some reason. Mangal is a
Mangal or Shani की महादशा.
The whole concept of tucking a child in, because बच्चे पागल होते हैं, लात मारते हैं, अपने आप को खरोच देंगे.
लेकिन आदर तभी वो बच्चा इतना सा है, ठीक है, उसके वैसे लंबे नाखून नहीं है कि वो खुरेद देगा.
That concept what Neville is talking about, I know. That is because
बच्चे को जन्म दे रहा है, बिल्ली को जन्म दे रहा है.
But also the scratching of the face. I mean, how many kids had to die for them to actually make it a superstition?
Yeah, there's at least like one kid who had to be severely deformed this morning.
No, I'm assuming for it to become like a societal thing, there had to be kids across various places going.
But I'm sure there was this one man who tried to bring about change. He was like, नहीं भाई लोग ऐसा करो, रात को nails मत काटो बच्चों के, वो बच्चे लोग अपने आप को scratch कर सकते हैं. नहीं हमको जो करना है हम अपने. Don't tell us how to raise our child. इसने सोचा होगा फिर बोला होगा अच्छा वेट शनि लगता है तो देखो.
If you bump your head against somebody, you have to bump it again. तो फिर तेरे को horns horns आ जाएंगे. उधर डार्विन ऐसे सर खुजा बोला ये क्या एवोल्यूशन है. वो था सिर्फ somebody's like feet are straight and you sort of jump over them, you got to jump back, नहीं तो उसका हाइट छोटा हो जाएगा या तो वो लंबा होगा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ तो था. अगेन पूरा जो तेरा बायोलॉजी नहीं है मैंने कभी.
But the danger of that feet thing is कि अगर कोई टेबल के ऊपर भी पैर रख के बैठा हुआ है ना, तो this way like I have actually hurt my father once like this because मैं एक बार ऊपर से कूद के गया and then the second like I realized अरे पैर के ऊपर से नहीं जाते, नहीं तो मेरा बाप who's 6'2" और लंबा नहीं होएगा for some reason.
So beyond growing age.
So I decided
suddenly अबू like 22 फुट का है.
So I decided
अदर सुनाई दे रहा है क्या पापा.
So I decided to jump back. तो एक बार ऊपर से गया, then I decided to jump back. वो jump back में टेबल के ऊपर पैर है एक आदमी के, and you misjudge that jump.
वो नी.
So like that jumping back is not a good scenario.
Bro, ये Final Destination का सीन लग रहा है.
Yeah, like height नहीं, life कम हो रहा है, dude. This is
Technically
height भी कम हो रहा है ना, पैर टूट गया और निकालना पड़ा. अभी अब 3.5 फुट का है, क्या करेंगे?
But I have like some like my socks right left, then shoe, then lace. ऐसा सब habits सभी form हो गए. मेरा भी
ये लंबा प्रोसेस करते हैं क्या?
I don't know. But who does like who's wearing one entire shoe and then wearing the entire shoe again? Like pehle, who's this weirdo who's wearing the socks, shoe and lace up
Yuck, yeah.
and then baaki it's like I think everybody wears socks, shoes and laces.
No.
People say these things, dude. 100%. One guy in the comment going, "That's not normal."
चाइना में कुछ तो नंबर अनलकी है ना?
4.
हाँ, क्यों?
चाइना में, because the pronunciation for the word in Cantonese or Mandarin is the same word for death. तो सब लोग एकदम ऐसे टेंशन में कि नहीं 4 नीचे वो डेथ है, तो घर पे एक बच्चा भूखा रहता है हमेशा. पापा मेरा नहीं 3 अलाउड है.
Why can't they just change the word? From today everything is going to be called char.
अरे bro,
अबे लेकिन
तेरे को पता है उधर not just China, they can like bats into your house is considered bad. You know that, right?
But
it's a sign of death.
Bats in your house, but in your stomach is all right.
That's a sign of death.
But पेट के अंदर ठीक है.
India.
Oh,
चाइना में 4 नंबर नहीं बोलेंगे लेकिन बैट दबा रहे मस्त.
अरे.
A bird in your house is a sign of somebody will die today. A bird coming into your house is that somebody is going to die.
Bro, कबूतर दिन के 3 बार आता है, तो I don't know.
Then
कौन सा bird? कोई भी bird.
I'm genuinely concerned. I don't know why you're moving on.
It is bad luck to light 3 cigarettes with the same match.
Yeah, this is true. This is coming from
It's a
World
true
War II.
superstition.
It's not a superstition. It's coming from folklore.
I think this is more of a competition and less superstition. It's like एक तीली माचिस है.
As a competition it works.
Yeah.
Unless gas leak है, फिर मर जाएंगे.
No. So it's coming from folklore. It comes from World War II, it basically comes from the trenches of war, where if there is a sniper pointed at you, if you normally end up light your friends, then your other friends, and then your own cigarette. So you light yours third. So the thing was, he misses to the left, he misses to the right, and then he got the headshot. Or it is like takes his aim, cocks his gun, and shoots you.
Right? When you sneeze, you have to say bless you. And that comes from the fact that when you sneeze, your heart stops for that like microsecond or something like that, right? So और तू छींक के फिर जिंदा है, उसके लिए पब्लिक बोला है bless you यार.
So the Germans call it Gesundheit, and that's good health. But this actually comes from another superstition of why bless you.
In World War, जब भी तू छींका तो स्नाइपर को सुनाई देगा, तो सीधा बच जाएगा.
No, so the bless you was because apparently there's some spirit or something that inhibits you for that moment, and your body is expelling it. ऐसा कुछ तो एक superstition था. इसके लिए public तेरे को ऐसा bless you बोलता है.
Wow, man, science has really progressed.
लेकिन आजकल तू छींकेगा तो public fuck you बोलेगा. आचू, अरे
अगर तू आचू बोलेगा public बोलेगा. नहीं, अगर आचू बोलेगा public बोलेगा go करो ना, go करो ना, तो भेज देगा.
फिर सलमान का तो मालूम है ना सुपरस्टिशन, उसका जो वो ब्रेसलेट है और वो सुपरस्टिशन सब बंटा लोग फॉलो करे. लिंकिंग रोड वो सुपरस्टिशन में से चल रहा है ब्रो अभी तक.
नहीं, by the way, that was a superstition. It's the one superstition that went as a superstition and ended as a fashion statement.
Fashion, a very bad one at that.
It's a very bad one.
I think वो पहन के घूम रहे लिंकिंग रोड पे, काके इनके सलमान इज ड्राइविंग बाय, they'll be like नहीं भाई यहाँ पे मत चढ़ाओ, यहाँ पे मैं आपका ही आदमी हूँ.
सब लोग ऐसे करते. एक बार जब मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था ना बचपन में, तो बचपन मतलब 16-17 प्रोफेशनली एज इन लाइक फॉर स्कूल कॉलेज टाइप, ठीक है. So this one day I had a killer bowling performance and I had won a specific boxer. And few days later I said अबे few days later धोया, ठीक है, धोया और 2 दिन का मैच था. तो फर्स्ट डे पे वही बॉक्सर पहना, बैटिंग में अच्छा किया, ओवरनाइट नॉट आउट रहा. तो द नेक्स्ट डे आई वाज लाइक फक सेम चड्डी पहनेगा, लेकिन मैं धोना भूल गया और फिर ग्राउंड पे पहुंच गया है सोच के यार शिट, मेरे को तो दूसरा चड्डी पहना था, वो है बैग में लेकिन धोया नहीं है, इसलिए उल्टा करके.
Holy fuck!
Serena Williams actually has a thing where she will not change her socks during a tournament. Like she will wear the same pair of socks throughout the tournament. Like
हाँ वो ठीक है, पर वरुण के चड्डी ने follow on किया है.
Good cricket reference. अच्छा,
No. So I had this one superstition which was like, it was super annoying for pretty much anybody. Okay, where like in my house or before I left someone's house or my own house, I had to take 2 sips of water. I had
I've
to.
seen this happen. It's
What?
annoying.
So all my friends used to make so much fun of me because if you speak to me as soon as I take 2 sips of water, I will have to take 2 sips of water again. Basically, between my second sip of water and leaving the door, you should not say a word.
What
You
the
cannot
fuck?
say a word. Yeah, and it was terrible because I would be like, I would drink 2 sips, and it came to a point where I would just put a droplet of water and put it to my mouth before I faded it away.
Okay.
But it was that bad a superstition.
How did this start? Do you remember?
I don't know. I just think it came from like, before you leave the house, you drink a little bit of water, and I'm still alive.
Which is the opposite of what my mother says. My mother's like, never have water before you leave. Like just when you're about to exit the
इतना
house.
complicated process है bro.
हाँ.
2 सेकंड के बीच में पानी मत पी, ये मत पी, वो मत
No.
पी,
It
क्या
was not. It was just before I left the house, I would take a sip of water, and as I was leaving, if someone spoke to me, I would have to do it again. So my friends used to really pull my
That's so
leg, saying,
simple. Oh, thank you for it's so simple, Baba.
Like the one thing I always used to believe in, lady luck. So like lady luck, it's worked for me many a times. It
What
I
actually
heard
happened.
lady love.
हाँ तो lady luck, love जिससे वही luck दे रही है देखो bro. So man, about 10-12 years ago, we had gone to Casino Royale, जो गोवा में ये है ना, it's your proper shipping है बोल रहा हूँ, casino है.
It went from Monte Carlo in my head to suddenly Goa.
Goa.
मेरे दिमाग में पहले गया वो डैनियल
Monte
क्रेग
Carlo
वाला
जाओ. नहीं ब्रो, Casino Royale
पनाजी
करके
के
नाम है
बाहर.
वो casino का गोवा में. ठीक है. So at that point of time उधर खेल रहा और मैं हार गया. अब बजट रखा था दिमाग में, ऐसे 3-5 हजार रुपए के लिए एंट्री फ्री हो गई थी हम लोग की. 10,000 रुपीज एंट्री था, दोस्त के अंकल ने फ्री में करा दिया. So at 5,000 rupees, I said, I'm not going to spend more than that. And till midnight, I had lost 4,500. I'm like, shit, lady lucky hai. Then girlfriend has called and wished, hey, good luck. I'm like, you know what now? Or actually that night, I have taken home 12,000 rupees, bro. So मेरे दिमाग में तो था, oh fuck, lady luck तो है ही. Brazil is considered unlucky, and it's said to bring you bad luck if you leave your wallet or purse on the ground, on the floor, on the road. You know what image they have shown? वो रख के चले गई. तो of course इसके बाद financial loss नहीं होगा तो
से casually ये ले रखो, मैं जमीन पे रख के
I think in Brazil, to convince them, you have to make it a superstition.
You know, that image.
I think it's everywhere like that, no?
That image is basically saying if you get hit by a bullet, you will die. It's a superstition.
Die.
You remember the cheers thing, no? Where like you bang your glass so the poison spills into each other's glasses. हम लोग के उधर अभी superstition हो गया कि if you don't do cheers with eye contact, you have 7 years of bad sex.
Bro, this 7 years of bad sex has been added to anything. तो कुछ भी कर, अगर तू सेट मैक्स पहले देखेगा और स्टार गोल्ड बाद में देखेगा तो 7 साल बैड सेक्स मिलेगी.
Yes, because तू सेट मैक्स और स्टार गोल्ड देख रहा है इसलिए.
तेरा वैसे ही 7 साल का
तेरे को छोड़ेगा कौन?
But you know what I don't understand about this? Why are you assuming I have to do things to have bad sex? Come on.
लोग already gifted है with bad sex.
My first memory of why Billy crossing is supposed to be unlucky. Up till that point of time, I thought like cats are chill. Billy cross करती है in this movie called Suryavanshi, which was Salman Khan blonde. Okay, and so आगे हाँ ये रास्ता है. Okay, and in that movie they are driving, all friends are driving in a gypsy or something, and Billy ऐसे रास्ता cross करती है उसका. तो सलमान को बोलते हैं अरे आगे मत जाना नहीं तो तुमको बैड लक लगेगा. तो सलमान decides to take the car off the road and follows the cat. अब वो बिल्ली की फट गई है तो बिल्ली भाग रही है.
The start of all great stories. Salman takes the car off the road.
and Salman cuts the billy off and picks the billy up and crosses without the billy crossing him. And then goes back on the road. And that was my first experience of
मेरे को ये पिक्चर का स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने का है कि स्क्रीन प्ले लिखते वक्त किसी ने ये लिखा कि भाई बिल्ली आपको क्रॉस करेगी. ऐसे कैसे बिल्ली मुझे क्रॉस करेगी? बिल्ली मुझे क्रॉस नहीं करेगी. ठीक है भाई, फिर आप जो करना है यू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. मैं गाड़ी उसके पीछे चलाऊंगा और बिल्ली भाई बोल रहा सलमान.
वहाँ पे डायरेक्टर बोल रहा है अरे मेरी बिल्ली. Ekta Kapoor actually matches the kundalis of her actors.
Hilarious.
Check before they are allowed to shoot.
Bro, people have casting
thing.
directors. She has casting Panditji. That's fucking
Yeah.
that's next level.
Like you will be finalized and everything, and अगर तेरा राहु केतु इधर उधर है तो बोले sir please.
तुझे मंगल दोष है. Sorry,
हाँ.
we can't take it. लेकिन
we have to take the lesser talented.
नहीं.
This from the makers of Krishna Cottage. Are you fucking kidding me?
And even that started with K, लेकिन it didn't do well. So I think at some point of time, as a believer, you should realize that एक मिनट यार क्या कूल है हम. तू फकौल थी, कृष्णा कॉटेज फकौल थी, तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए जो गलत हो रहा है K से.
वो आइडिया आई थिंक उनको समझ आ गया कि वो हमारा प्रॉब्लम तुषार कपूर है.
वो कपूर भी नहीं है ना अभी ब्रो. ही इज ओनली टसहार. TUSHAR. उसने कपूर निकाल दिया है. तो मेरा स्टैंड अप नहीं देखते क्या? ही इज टेकन आउट कपूर फ्रॉम तुषार कपूर. लाइक द ओनली थिंग दैट कुड वर्क फॉर हिम, उसने वो निकाल दिया है. उसके बाद एक
So in my completely insecure, coward, bad person, human being days, I used to find anything to hold on to, right?
Oh wait,
so
wait, those days have gone?
Yeah. They have. So in those days, I used to do anything. So if I saw a single raven, then I would have to look for like mainas, 2 mainas. If I saw, and it wasn't even a fucking maina, it was a salonki, okay?
how the fuck can you tell the difference, bro?
It is. So I'm saying, so if I saw a raven, then because there were not too many men.
Yeah. That doctor from CID.
Doctor from CID.
So the mainas, now if the mainas obviously were not available everywhere, so I came up with a hack.
Are not available every day.
So I came up with a hack, which was that I will count 10 trees before I see the next bird. I would ruin my life, dude. I was terrible. And when I saw the mainas also, I would have to see the mainas with all 3 visions, which is one eye, both eyes.
Oh.
So
बाबा गांजा फूकना बंद कर bro.
So it was very bad. I'm telling you, it was very bad. And you've done this.
फिर बोलेगा मेरी आँख फटक रही है, shit भूत है. तो तुम लोगों को ये पता है क्या? That crows are referred to as our ancestors. वो होता ना श्राद्ध के टाइम पे ऊपर जाके कौवे को.
इसके लिए तो कौवे को खाना दे दे.
इसलिए तू कौवा बिरयानी भी खा रहा है. तो अगले बार जब तू कौवा बिरयानी खाएगा, सोच तू शायद अपने नाना को खा रहा है.
Why would you do that?
नाना जी.
Because कौवा बिरयानी is epic.
किसी ने पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे जाके सुसु किया है क्या? Because this is something that was told to me कि पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे सुसु करोगे तो भूत अंदर आ जाता है. Because apparently as
मैंने पीपल पे किया है. मैंने पीपल पे किया है सुसु.
Because I think
लोगों पे. तूने लोगों पे सुसु किया है?
हाँ, उनको जेलीफिश ने काट लिया था ना, फुग्गे ने तो.
But dude, this is real.
This is like the best of our podcast. जो भी अच्छी स्टोरी थी अभी तक.
Other this people thing is real, huh?
Yeah, you pee on a people
tree. के झाड़ के नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि उसके अंदर भूत होता है, ऐसा मैंने कुछ सुना.
हाँ, तो फिर अगर तुम वहाँ पे सुसु करोगे तो भूत अंदर घुस जाएगा. I don't know why, because maybe urine is a good conductor of electricity, like electrolytes.
No, it's a good conductor of electricity.
Oh no!
I love. That is so funny.
This stays.
I'm waiting for the person to comment. The duck walking at 1 hour.
मैं अभी करते वक्त ना ये देख क्या है. Okay, it's a lizard falling on human is bad luck.
Yeah, no shit.
According to Gauli Shastra in India. और उन्होंने ये डाला है ब्रो ऐसे. ये अगर मेरे पे गिरेगा मैं डर के वैसे ही कूद जाएगा खिड़की से बाहर. तो yes, Gauli Shastra.
There is another rumor about if you have a dream about a lizard, then you are going to have bad luck the next day.
Bro, fuck! One of the earliest ones I've ever heard in my life was if you're getting hiccups and someone's remembering you.
Yeah. कोई याद कर रहा है. Correct. That used to happen. But these almost they don't go. Even if you don't believe in it, you will always mention all of these superstitions. But you know, like now, but talking about superstition, अपन मजाक तो उसका उड़ाएंगे. But I think at the end of the day, it works really well for a lot of people, which is why it's so tough to just completely disassociate with it, in spite of not having any scientific explanation for it.
I think positive reinforcement ना कि अगर हम लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं तो might as well feel positive about it. ये घर के अंदर हो रहा है तो घर का घर प्रवेश करो and make sure that it's Rahu Ketu and तुम्हारा वो पूरा feng shui ching.
और ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ है क्योंकि मेरा नॉर्थ वेस्ट फेसिंग है और हम लोग को ये पॉडकास्ट करते वक्त इतने सारे टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज हुए हैं बहुत, तो आई एम श्योर हम लोग सब लोग का कुछ ना कुछ है. किसी घर पे बैठे उस पे लिजर्ड गिर गया, मेरा बेडरूम नॉर्थ वेस्ट फेस कर रहा है,
कान्ये वेस्ट की बेटी छींक रही है कहीं बैठ के, या हिकअप्स आ रहे हैं,
बाबा ने छाता खोल लिया है घर के अंदर.
100%. आज तो 100% bro.
What is the weirdest WhatsApp forward that you've ever gotten? Like the most ridiculous.
I don't remember a lot of them, so I only remember the most recent ones that have been the most ridiculous. The most recent ridiculous one I've gotten is, it says, where is the thing? It says that tomorrow India is checking all forms of temperature through laser in space. So please stand in your balcony completely naked.
No. What?
अबे ये सुपरस्टिशन भी नहीं है ये.
No, he said what's the most ridiculous?
कोई लड़की आदमी ने बोला मैं बोर हो रहा है घर पे बैठ के थोड़ा मजा करने का. अभी क्या होगा मालूम है? The bad side of this, considering this, is there's going to be a lot of naked Indian dudes. No women are coming for this.
But I don't think it's true, and I don't think. Please don't do this, guys. Please don't stand naked.
Hold up.